Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys how to get this entirely matte Valentine's Day look. Now I say matte, it's still radiant, but it's matte because this is just the feel that I am going with lately when it comes to my makeup. Don't really know why, it just kind of is. So if you want to see what I did to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so to start off, I am priming my eyes using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm blending this out using a Real Techniques face brush. I think it's called the Expert Face Brush. I don't know, it's gonna make a couple of appearances in this. I was too lazy to go dampen a beauty blender, so I'm using only brushes in this, so if you're interested in using brushes, here you go. I'm just setting my eyes with a translucent powder before going in with the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves, and I'm taking the two lightest shades in the palette, and I'm just buffing them lightly into my crease to get that nice light pink color. We're going for an all matte eye look here, so there's a lot of blending involved. I tried to pare it down, but you know, there's so much blending. Now I'm going into the Blushing Berries palette, and I'm taking only the lightest shade of that palette and adding it to the two lighter shades from the Marvelous Mauves and blending them together. Basically, blend. If you haven't learned that by now in a YouTube tutorial, you will now. Now I'm taking the two middle shades of the Blushing Berries palette, and I'm just blending them together to get the outer edge color. And I'm kind of building it up until it's as intense as I want before adding in the two darkest shades of the Marvelous Mauves palette. I can't talk today. And then just blending it all out before taking the lightest shade of the Marvelous Mauves palette, which was one of the shades that I put on in my crease, and just putting that all over my lid to give a nice matte even look to my lids. Now I'm taking the Josie Maran Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm, and I'm applying it to my whole face. This stuff is kind of like a moisturizer meets a primer. It feels really nice on the skin. Yes, I'm aware of the huge zit on my chin. I have some stress breakouts going. It's not doing me any favors, to say the least. Plus, on the top of my fingers, I managed to split my cuticle, so good. Go me. Now I am taking a mixture of my Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Highlight in Perla, and I'm mixing them together and applying it to my face. And again, using that same brush I used to buff out my Shape Tape on my eyes, I'm taking that to buff out all the foundation on my face as well. Before going in with just a little bit of Shape Tape to help with my under eyes. I haven't been sleeping well, so sharp Shape Tape is needed. Why do I keep calling it sharp tape? God dang it. And then setting it with the same translucent powder and inhaling it because I put a little too much, and now my eyes are watering. Bravo me, I'm good at videos. Oh my god. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set my whole face using the same translucent powder. I think it's the LA Girl powder, if I'm correct. And now I'm taking the lightest contour shade from Makeup Geek and applying it to my cheekbones as well as my temples. And then I'm just kind of blending it out. I didn't want it to be too intense, just enough to slightly chisel. Now I'm taking MAC Melba and I am blending it out on my cheeks, and I'm just forewarning you, I went a little crazy with the blush. It wasn't picking up from my point of view in the viewfinder, so I went a little bit more intense than I normally would. But I'm trying to tone it down using some bronzer from Milani as well as the translucent setting powder. So I don't think it worked, but I tried. Now I'm just taking a little bit of this Burberry highlight. I cannot remember the shade it's in to save my life right now, but just a little bit because this is a very subtle highlight. It's not super intense or in your face, so it's perfect to pair with an all matte look because it's not going to overwhelm your face. It's not going to be too intense next to all that matte going on. And I'm also highlighting the middle of my nose as well as the tip of my nose. And I threw on some lashes, the House of Lashes Sweet Romance, before topping it off with the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Babe Alert. It's a little more peachy than my eyes are, but it kind of ties the blush and the eyes and the lips all together, I think, pretty nicely. Okay, so that's the finished look. I obviously did it using these two Dose of Colors palettes, but obviously if you have any drugstore palettes with similar colors or your favorite single eyeshadows, whatever it may be, feel free to use those instead. And yeah, I'm planning on having one other Valentine's Day tutorial up. It'll probably go up like on Valentine's Day, not quite sure. So yeah, if you guys are interested in a very, very sparkly Valentine's Day look, I'm actually gonna link up here my glitter pink eye that I did a few weeks back, because that one is pink. It is, you know, Valentine's Day-ish. Okay, so be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading videos, and leave all your questions, comments, concerns, suggestions for this video and any videos you really want to see on my channel down below as well. I love hearing your guys' feedback and getting some ideas from what you guys want to see. That's it. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!